First, more details on the federal investigation now underway as agents look into whether inmates are working a scam collecting thousands in unemployment while awaiting trial. KDKA investigator Andy Sheehan joins us at the Allegheny County Jail with a story you'll see only on KDKA. Andy.
Are inmates here scamming the system, collecting pandemic unemployment payments while awaiting trial? A county homicide detective testified he uncovered the plot listening in to a murder suspect's phone call. He's been sitting in jail for the past 8 months on criminal homicide charges in the beating and stomping death of another man. But according to court testimony, Lamont Wilford has also been receiving as much as $9,000 in pandemic unemployment assistance while awaiting trial, and he may not be alone. The county homicide detective testified yesterday that other jail inmates are receiving payments as well, and that the U.S. Attorney's Western Pennsylvania COVID-19 Fraud Task Force, consisting of the FBI and federal and state law enforcement, has launched its own investigation. At a bail hearing yesterday, the detective, Steve Hitchings, testified he'd learned of the payment listening to a phone call between Wilford and his girlfriend, quote, "at which time I learned he had been involved in a scam of the pandemic unemployment assistance, which he received some kind of debit card in the amount of $9,000.
I don't think it's right.
You don't want it? You don't want it?
I don't think it's right.
What do you mean you don't think it's right? Ain't nothing wrong with it.
Hitchings testified to qualify for unemployment, quote, "you have to be able to work, just unable to find a job because of the pandemic." He goes on to say that Wilford is unable to work because he is in jail and does not qualify. Hitchings also testified he listened to the phone calls of other inmates who are also receiving payments. Wilford remains in jail on $25,000 straight bond in connection with the November beating death of 50-year-old Eric Henderson on this sidewalk in Natrona Heights. Witnesses told police Wilford beat Henderson to the ground, then stomped on him until he was lifeless. And his criminal history reveals a violent past. He has 2 prior felony convictions for aggravated assault, and Hitchings testified he has failed to appear in court 6 times in the past. He said Wilford should be held without bail, arguing if freed, he could use his unemployment payments to flee the state. Now, the district attorney's office is asking Judge Bruce Beeman to revoke Wilford's bond, saying, quote, "the defendant is committing a new crime of unemployment fraud." The U.S. Attorney's office will not confirm or deny an investigation, but all indications are that investigation is underway. Reporting live at the county jail, Andy Sheehan, KDKA News.